What are you doing? What's Dixie doing? What are you doing? What? 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 Excuse me? What? You do not tell your mama what to do. I don't think so. You're not the boss. What do you want? What? I don't know what Dixie wants. What do you want? Are you missing your stogie? Did you lose your stogie? Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. I'm making you another movie, Daddy. I'm not the boss. Mama's 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 the boss of me. You're not getting anything, I'm sorry. Say bye, Dad. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy.